If you want to know how to fix live not showing on TikTok, you've come to the right place. So in order to show you all these steps, I'm going to open TikTok, and let's say that you'd like to create live. So basically we need to scroll to the right side, right up here. And now, as you can see, I can easily start my live. I can click on go live and everything is working as for me. So how can you do the same? How can you fix this problem? The steps are quite simple. And basically the first thing we need to do is that we need to open our App Store and here search for TikTok. So we need to open an official page of the app and make sure that you have a latest version. So you have only open button right up here. Because if you have like update or upgrade buttons, you won't be able to use some newest features. For example, like go live. And basically download the latest version and try to open app and try to go live once more. And if it still doesn't work, we need to open our settings and then go to general right up here. Then click on iPhone storage. On the Android, it may look a little bit different, but you need to find the same folder here. So we need to open TikTok and then just simply click on offload app. As you can see, offloading TikTok will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So we need to click on offload. And after that, instead of offload, we'll receive button which is called reinstall. So we need to reinstall the app. After that, we can go to TikTok back and try to go live. If it still doesn't work, we need to open our settings. Then just simply scroll down to find report a problem. Go to live area. And as you can see, we have a couple of topics here. We need to click on, for example, other hosting live issues. And here we need to click on no, click on need more help, and we need to explain our problem. So we need to write something like this: I can't go live, help me please, how can you fix it, how can I fix it, and so on. We need to give as much details as possible for TikTok support. Then just simply click on submit, and probably in a few days or 1 or 2 hours, they will help us to fix this problem. And this is a way of how to fix live not showing. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.